going to learn chapter number 11, Algebra. The topic is equation. Now we have learned about expressions. Here an example is there that 2n. 2n is an expression x plus 10. X added to 10. Then it becomes an expression. Then only 9 or only 10. All these are what? Expressions. Now when two expressions are there but between them a equal to sign is there, then it is called a equation. So if 2n is equal to 9, then what? This becomes a equation. Because between two expressions a equal to sign is there. A very simple thing is that what is equation? Whenever two expressions are there and between them a equal to sign is there, then it is an equation. The equations can be, here you can see that here n is there, means variable is there over here. Then this is what? An algebraic equation. Now you have learned that 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So what is this? This is also an equation. Why? Because an equal to sign is there over here. Now here 8x minus 5 is equal to 3. Then this is also an equation because equal to sign is there. But this is what? An algebraic equation. Why? Because here variable is there. If there is no variable, then which equation it is? It is an arithmetic equation because only use of numbers is there over here. Now let us see what is the definition. An equation is a mathematical statement that uses an equal to sign to show that two expressions are equal. Here you can see two expressions are equal and an equal to sign is there between them. Now there are two parts of equations. Now two expressions we have bring together with an equal to sign. So here you can see that 2n is equal to 9. Then here this side is what? The part on the right hand side of the equal to, that is this much portion is what? Right hand side. In short form it will be written as RHS and the left side is called LHS and it is the short form it is written as LHS, otherwise it is said left hand side. So it has two parts, the left hand side and the right hand side. Another examples of equations are here you can see x plus 10 is equal to 14, 3n plus 4 is equal to 2n minus 3. Here you can see this is also an expression and this is also an expression and an equal to sign is given over here. Then this becomes what? An equation. Now only 63y minus 4 is there. Then this is what? This is only an expression, but if equal to 90 is minus 4, then this becomes what? This becomes an equation. Now next topic is solution of equation. We learned about equation. Now that equations also have some solution. So here an example is there 2n is equal to 10. Now what is solution of this equation? So what value of n you will put in this equation so that it satisfies both LHS and RHS becomes equal. Now suppose n I will put equal to 5. N equal to 5. Then instead of n I will put 5, then 2n. That means this both are in which form? In multiplication form. So 2 multiply n value I am putting 5. So multiply by 5. So 2 multiply by 5, what I will get? I will get 10 as a answer. So here you can see 10 is what? Our left hand side. And this 10 is what? The equation's left hand side. here you are able to see that here also we are getting answer as 10, and here it is already given 10. So this we want to make what equal to the 10. So LHS and RHS, what they are becoming? They are becoming equal. Here you can see this is also 10 and this is also 10. That means that n equal to 5. The value of n equal to 5 you will take, then it will satisfy what? This equation. So what is this? N equal to 5 is what? It is the solution of the equation. Here equation is 2n is equal to 10. Now if I want that n I want to take as 1, then let us see that whether we are getting LHS equal to RHS or not. So for n equal to 1, our equation is 2n equal to 10. Now instead of n I will put 1. 2 multiplied by 1 equal to 10 as it is. 2 ones are 2 equal to 10. You can see 2 and 10 can be equal. No, they cannot be equal any time. So here LHS is not equal to RHS. This means that n equal to 1 is not solution of 2n equal to 10. So if another value other than n equals to 5 if you will take, then you are not going to get LHS is equal to RHS. One another example we will take n equals to 6. Let us take for n equals to 6. So our equation is 2n equals to 10. Instead of n I will put 6. Then 2 multiplied by 6 equal to as it is. 10 also we will write down as it is. Now 2 multiplied by 6 is equal to 12 equal to as it is 10. Then here you can see 12 equal to 10. No, 12 cannot be equal to 10. So here 10, 12 is not equal to 10. So here what we are getting? That LHS is not equal to RHS. Here both these quotients are not becoming equal, or the expressions are not becoming equal. Therefore, for n equal to 6, it is not a solution of 2n equal to 10. So here a proper definition of solution of equation is that the value of the variable. Here what? N was what? A variable. For that n we have put a numerical value 5. So variable in an equation which satisfies the equation. Satisfy the equation, that means for this equation we are getting LHS and RHS equal. That means for n equals to 5, for this value, this equation is satisfied. Is called the solution of the equation. For different values you can take and then put them in the equation and find out that for which value of that variable is the solution of that equation. Let us see now some other examples. 5.5 first question. State which of the following are equations with a variable. Give reason for your answer. Identify the variable from the equation with a variable. Now here A 17 minus x plus 7. For equation it is compulsory that there should be an equal to sign. So here you can see a equal to sign is there. Another thing is what? That with a variable it should have a variable. It is equation? Yes, it is an equation. Whether it is having variable or not. Because why? Because 3 multiplied by 7 is equal to 21. So this is also a equation only, but it is an arithmetic equation. It is not having any variable over here. And here we are talking about what? Algebra. So algebraic equation we want over here. So here you can see x, which is a variable. So what will be the answer? Yes, it is a equation with variable x. Now B, t minus 7 5. First of all, you can see that here greater than sign is there, equal to sign is not there. So this is not an equation. Next, see 4 by 2 is equal to 2. Here you can see equal to sign is there, so it is an equation. But you are not able to see any variable over here. So this is not an algebraic expression, equation. Why? Because we need an equation which is having a variable. So here also it is not an equation. Now D. 7 multiplied 3 minus 19 is equal to 8. First of all, let us see whether equal to sign is there or not. Yes, equal to sign is there. Now, find out the variable. Here, there is any variable? No, there is no variable. So, same way, it is not an equation. Now E, 5 multiplied 4 minus 8 is equal to 2x. First, equal to sign is there, so it is an equation. Now variable also you can see x over here. So yes, it is an equation with a variable x. Complete the entries in the third column. Columns are given over here. Equations are given. Value of the variable is given, and you have to find out whether that equation is satisfied for that given value of the variable or not. For first, 10y is equal to 80, and the value of variable of this y is given as 10. So we have to find out that whether y is equal to 10. This value is satisfying this equation or not. So for that we have to do a rough work. So this equation I will copy down. 10y is equal to 80. Now y I have to put what? 10. This 10 as it is. Now 10 and y in the which form? They are in the multiplication form. So 10 multiplied y is equal to 10. So in here 10 equal to as it is. This also 80 as it is. Now 10 times are what? 100. Equal to sign as it is and 80. Here 100 and 80 cannot be equal. So here LHS is not equal to RHS. This means that y equal to 10 is not a solution of 10y equal to 80. So here what you have to write down? No. Now for second one, 4L is equal to 20 and L is equal to, we have to take 20. So 4L is equal to 20. We will write down this equation. After that, 4 as it is, L's value what we have to do? We have to take 20. So here multiply by 20 equal to sign as it is. 20 also we will copy down as it is. Now 4 multiplied by 20. It is 80. 80 equal to 20. 80 and 20 can be equal? No. So 80 is not equal to 20. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So here L equals to 20 if we will take, then this value is not satisfying for this equation. So what will be the answer? No. If LHS and RHS you will find out equal, then the answer will be yes. If they are not equal, then the answer will be no. G. B plus 5 is equal to 9. And B we have to take 5. So first copy down this equation. B plus 5 is equal to 9. B's value what we have to take? 5. So 5 plus sin as it is, 5 also we will copy down as it is equal to 9. Now 5 plus 5 is 10 equal to 9. 10 and 9 cannot be equal. So here we are getting that LHS is not equal to RHS. So for B is equal to 5, it does not satisfy our equation. So here also it will be no. Now next one, H minus 8 is equal to 5. And here H you have to take 13. So instead of H we will put what? 13. Minus sign, after that 8 equal to 5. 13 minus 8, 5 equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5. So here we are getting LHS equal to RHS. This means that H is equal to 13 is satisfying the equation H minus 8 is equal to 5. So here our answer will be yes. This way you have to do the rough work, and afterward you have to fill the third entry in the column. A. Complete the table and by inspection of the table find the solution of the equation m plus 10 is equal to 16. Here table is given, m different values of m are given, and an equation that m plus 10. This is what? M plus 10. It is also not an equation, but it is what? It is an expression. An expression is given and these values we have to find out. So here you can see m's value we will take 1. Then what will be the answer of m plus 10? If instead of m we will put 1. So instead of m we will put m is equal to 1. Then 1 plus 10. What it is 11. So here answer will be 11. Next m we have to put what? 2. So here 2 plus 10 it will be what? It will be 12. So here it will be 12. Same way if we will put m is equal to 3, then we will get what? 3 plus 10, 13. If we will put m is equal to 4, then 4 plus 10. How much? 14. For 5 it will be 15. For 6 it will be 6 plus 10, 16. For 7, 7 plus 10, 17. After that for 8, 8 plus 10, 18. For 9, 9 plus 10, 19. For 10, 10 plus 10, 20. Okay, now this table is filled up. Now we want to find out the solution of m plus 10 is equal to 16. Now m plus 10's value when we are getting equal to 16, that we will find out. For that value of m will be the solution of that equation. So m plus 10's in the row of m plus 10, let us see where we are getting 16. So let us check for m plus 10 where we are getting 16. Here we are getting 16. That means that here when m is equal to what? 6. Then the equation m plus 10 is equal to 16. What is this? M equal to 6 is what? Solution of the equation m plus 10 is equal to 16. So lastly write down that m equal to 6 is solution of equation m plus 10 is equal to 6. So this way you have to perform the other tables and you have to find out which solutions are there. Other more examples are given in the exercise that you have to solve.